Have you ever heard of superfluids? These fascinating fluids are unique and different from any other fluids you've ever seen. In this video, we will explore what superfluids are, their properties, and why they are important. Before we dive into superfluids, let's talk about what a fluid is. A fluid is any substance that flows and takes the shape of its container. For example, water is a fluid. It can flow and take the shape of any container you put it in. Host. Now, imagine a fluid that flows without any friction, and that can climb the walls of its container without any resistance. That's exactly what superfluids are. The first superfluid to be discovered was liquid helium, which is a type of helium that is cooled to a temperature close to absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. To understand why superfluids behave the way they do, we need to take a closer look at the atoms that make up the fluid. At low temperatures, the atoms in the fluid move slowly, and their behavior changes. They start to behave like waves, which can flow without any resistance, just like light waves. This wave-like behavior is known as Bose-Einstein condensation, named after the scientists Satyendra Bose and Albert Einstein, who predicted this phenomenon. In this state, the atoms in the fluid form a single entity, and their wave-like behavior becomes dominant. This is why superfluids can climb the walls of their container without any resistance. They behave as if they are one entity, and they can flow through the narrowest channels without any loss of energy. One of the most fascinating things about superfluids is that they can even defy gravity. Take a look at this superfluid fountain. This fountain is made of liquid helium, and it is cooled to a temperature close to absolute zero. As you can see, the liquid helium climbs up the walls of the container and forms a fountain without any external forces acting upon it. Another interesting property of superfluids is that they can rotate forever without slowing down. This is known as superfluidity. When a superfluid rotates, it forms quantized vortices that can move freely without any resistance. Superfluids are not just a curiosity in the lab. They have practical applications in space exploration. Astronomers have observed superfluids in the cores of neutron stars, which are some of the most dense objects in the universe. Superfluids can also be used in electronic circuits that require a high degree of precision. By using superfluids, we can create circuits that operate at extremely low temperatures without any loss of energy. Superfluids are truly fascinating, and they have properties that are unlike any other fluid. They can flow without resistance, climb the walls of their containers, rotate forever, and even defy gravity. With their unique properties, superfluids have the potential to revolutionize many areas of science and technology. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.